and welcome. Let me show you a quick trick to help you when you catch yourself slouching and your body starts sending you those signals and you start feeling achy and in discomfort. So the best thing to do is really to stand up, go for a walk up and down the stairs, do a few stretches and come back. But if you can't do that because you are in the middle of something and you can't take a break, then do this. So if you catch yourself in here doing this, then what you do, you move away from the back of your chair, you come towards the front of your chair and you're going to round even more. So take the pelvis back towards the tailbone, look down and round. And then take the pelvis forward, so you're moving through the pelvis, through the hip joints. Take the pelvis forward towards the pubic bone and arch the back and look up. And you go back and forth and do this with the breath. Exhale as you take the pelvis back. Inhale as you come forward. And you do this for 5 times or for as long as it feels good for you. Back and forth. Try not to go too quickly. Try to feel your spine. Breathe in and out. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go around in the circle. So you go from sit bone to tailbone to the other sit bone to the pubic bone, and you go around and around, and you're going to involve your spine as much as you can, including your neck, because your neck is part of your spine. And you go around and around. And enjoy the movement. It's quite a satisfying movement and pleasant movement for the spine. You go around one way for whatever times feel good for you, and then you go the other way around. Breathe in and out as you go around and around. And that's it really. And then you come back and sit on your sitting bones. And if you don't know your sitting bones and what they do, please watch my video about the sitting bones. You come back to your sitting bones and you carry on. And you rinse and repeat until you can take a break and go for a walk and come back. And that's it really. And if you want to know more about how to go about life with good posture to prevent a hunchback, to keep away from back problems, and of course to look good, have a look at my posture master class. And don't forget to drink water. Cheers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at a next video. Bye bye now.